In this video, I'm going to demonstrate some of the advanced functionality of the Create a Post feature built into Formidable Pro. I've already created a basic video that showed how to create a form, set it up to create a post, and then I inserted that form on the front end, filled it out to create my first post. So this video picks up where that one leaves off, and I'm going to demonstrate how to customize some of the aspects of your post. So to do that, I'm going to go to the back end of WordPress, and this is the form I created in the first video. I've labeled it Create a Post, and it contains 3 fields. Well, an author field, a title field, and a content field. And then these 2 fields were generated automatically from my settings page. So for the first customization that I want to demonstrate is how to add a featured image field and have that automatically become the featured image for your post. So to do that, you need to create an image upload field, and I'm going to call mine featured image. I'm also creating a post image for another portion of this demonstration. I'm going to go ahead and save those and go to my settings page. Now to create the featured image, I want to go down to the custom fields option. And if you hover over, in the bottom left it says to create a featured image, use the underscore thumbnail ID as the name. So that's what we want to do, underscore thumbnail ID, and then you want to link that to the featured image field of your form. So that's it. Now when an image is uploaded into the featured image field, it will automatically become the featured image for that post. The next customization I want to demonstrate is how to add some more robust content to your post. So for example, here I want to add an image, and I am going to use the post image thumbnail. If I were to just insert this shortcode into this box, it would only give me the URL, the link. So in order for it to actually display the image, I have to put it in this image source tag. I'm going to add an alt tag, which will be the title of my post. And then the last thing I'm going to do is add class equals align left. Just about every theme should have an align left class that essentially floats an element to the left. So with that, I'm going to add the content. And finally, to kind of demonstrate how you can use multiple fields, as many fields as you want really. These are all fields from my form. I'm going to add the author and just type in credit to. So these are 3 different fields from my form that are all going to be combined to create the content of my post. So I'm going to go ahead and save that and go back to the front end. I now want to create a new post. So I'm going to call this my second post, and I want to add some content. There's some content. Okay, now I want to add a featured image. I'm going to use this night bridge image, and for my post image, I'm going to use this bulb. Select a category and go ahead and submit that. Once the images are done uploading, I get a success message, and if I go to my home page, I can see that my second post has been added to my list of entries. If I click on this, my featured image has become the banner here on the 2011 theme, and and my light bulb image has become my post image. Here's my content and my credit too. So this demonstrates how I've used 3 different fields from my form to generate the content for my post. The last thing I want to demonstrate is how to create a page like this that contains all my listings. Okay, so this post, I don't like how it displays my entire post, and say I want to add an image here as well. I'm going to show you how to do that. You can't change this page because this is controlled by the theme, but we can create another page that lists all the posts generated from your Formidable form. So let's go ahead and do that now. We need to go back to the WordPress admin, and when I inserted content and saved content into this box, it created a custom display. So I'm going to go into that custom display, and as you can see in this dynamic content box, this is the content I added on the settings page. If you have questions on custom displays, check out our knowledge base page on custom displays. There's a video there that explains custom displays quite well. To modify the listings page, we want to modify the content box. So what I'm going to do is add h1 tags. They probably shouldn't be h1 tags, but I don't like the h2 tags in this theme. I'm going to insert, whoops, that was supposed to go inside the h1 tags. And I want that to be a link to my to the single page, the entry, the post. So in order to do that, let me scroll up on this page. In order to do that, there's this option, link to view single page if showing dynamic entries. That's exactly what we want. And so this ahref equals will become a link to that. I want to add a created at date here. So this will display the created at, the date and time when the post was created. I'm not positive that these will work, these small tags, but we'll try them. And then let's insert our content. And as I mentioned, I didn't like how the content was all listed. I want to truncate that. And so here there's an option to truncate. Field ID truncate equals 100. And this will truncate that to 100 characters. You can change this to whatever you want. And that will just truncate that so the entire post isn't listed. And I think that's all we need. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And now that our custom display has been modified, we need to insert this custom display onto a page, onto a WordPress page, in order to display it. So my custom post list. And to insert that custom display, I'm going to use the Formidable icon. And once that is created, you can go ahead and click Publish, and then let's view that page on the front end. Okay, so as you can see, my 2 posts that I've created using my form are listed here. There's a link to the single page, and as you can see, this is truncated now. Instead of listing all of the content, it's truncated. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it takes me to my single entry with the featured image, my post image, and the content. Obviously you can get as creative as you'd like with the styling of these pages. This was mostly just to demonstrate the functionality and the features. As you can see, Formidable Pro is a great way to publish to your site, to allow others to publish to your site, and there's a lot of customization that can be done. If you have any questions, you can contact us at the formidablepro.com help desk.